Hello everyone, it's Dana and we're back with another video. Now in today's video we're going to be doing a Spanish quiz for modes of transport, modos de transporte. So if you're ready, stay tuned. Now you're going to be seeing multiple choice questions here. So make sure you identify the appropriate mode of transport. What is the Spanish for car? What is the Spanish word for bus? What is the Spanish word for train? What is the Spanish word for coach? What is the Spanish word for tram? What is the Spanish word for taxi? Tell us the Spanish word for motorbike. Here, you're supposed to choose the picture that corresponds with the audio. Let's go. La bicicleta. La bicicleta. A pie. A pie. El monopatín. El monopatín. La furgoneta. La furgoneta. El camión. El camión. El caballo. El caballo. Avión. El avión. El helicóptero. El helicóptero. El transportador. El transportador. El barco. El barco. How do you say the following in Spanish? I like to walk to school. Me gusta caminar a la escuela. Me gusta caminar a la escuela. I know how to drive a car. Yo sé conducir un carro. Yo sé conducir un carro. You could also replace carro with coche or auto. I have boats. Tengo botes. Tengo botes. My mother drives a taxi. Mi madre conduce un taxi. Mi madre conduce un taxi. Or mi madre maneja un taxi. He rides the bicycle. Él monta la bicicleta. Él monta la bicicleta. I like the subway. How do you say that in Spanish? Me gusta el metro. Me gusta el metro. I am going to buy a plane. Voy a comprar un avión. Voy a comprar un avión. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below and tell us what videos and quizzes you would like us to make. Adiós. Hasta luego.